Hi, my name is Janae. I am so excited to show you my favorite ways to apply the new Artistry Future Glow Foundation. These are clean and vegan formulas with naturally derived pigments and Nutrilite ingredients, no animal testing either. It has a sheer to medium coverage. Depending on how you apply it, you can achieve different skin effects. With micro-adjusted pigments and serum cream texture, it's easy to find your best shade. The next technique I'll show you is flawless coverage. I'm using the Artistry Future Glow Foundation in shade 304 Amber. I'm gonna take the product, this amazing foundation, and put it on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go in with the Artistry foundation brush for more flawless coverage. I'm gonna load up the brush with the foundation that's on the back of my hand, and I'm going to dab the foundation onto my skin, going up towards my hairline. I'll be covering my cheeks, and then I'm gonna cover my chin with that dabbing motion, and then I'll get started on the other side. This brush is absolutely amazing. I'm just finishing on the forehead, up into my hairline, and there you have it, a beautiful, flawless coverage. Now I'm gonna show you how to use the new Artistry Future Glow Pressed Powder. This powder can give you different effects depending on how you apply it. You can either achieve a matte that's never flat look or a nice radiant look. Today I'm gonna show you how to mattify your foundation. I'll start by using the puff. I'm gonna press and roll just to make sure I don't have any excess shine. Always make sure I get the corner of my nose, and I'm just pressing and rolling. And then I'm gonna finish on my forehead because that's where I get the most oily. And there you have it, a matte that's never flat. Now I'm so excited to share with you the new Go Vibrant Eyeshadow Quad in Stunning Skies. This is the palette that you've been waiting for. The numbers on the palette make it super simple to use. I'm gonna start by using shade 1 all over my lid. Whenever I'm applying eyeshadow, I like to load up the brush and be sure to tap off any excess, that way the eyeshadow doesn't go all over your face. I'm going to tap in the center of the lid and work my way all the way up into the crease. I'm moving back and forth. Next, I'm gonna go into my crease with shade 2. And I'm doing a windshield wiper motion. And that is right on top of shade 1 to create a beautiful, seamless look. I'll even take this color and sweep a little bit underneath my eyes. Next, I'm gonna go in with shade 3 for the most beautiful highlight. Again, I'll be using the flat side of my brush. I'm just gonna place it right in the inner corner of my eye. And I'll use a little in the arch of my brow just to highlight that area. Next, I'll use shade 4 to smudge underneath and on top of my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use a little of shade 4 right on top of my eyelash line and almost into my crease. And now I'm just still using the flat side to blend out the corners that I smudged. Now I'm gonna move on to waterproof and smudge-proof eyeliner in shade Natural Black right inside my waterline and on the top of my lash line. This pencil has a beautiful fine tip that helps to create precision. So I'll gently use this pencil to line the inside of my waterline, just to give my eyes beautiful definition. Now I'll just go on top. And I'll tell you, this pencil makes you the pro. You don't even have to get the line perfect. The pencil is so amazing, it helps you with precision. This pencil is great for defining close to my lashes. Next, I'm gonna finish this eye look with our Go Vibrant Serum Mascara. I love the brush on this mascara because it helps to give me volume and definition. Whenever I'm applying mascara, for the most volume, I like to shake at the root of my lashes and comb all the way to the end. And I'll teach you a trick. Whenever you want to get that bottom lash line, turn your brush this way. And you'll move the brush back and forth. I'm gonna do the next thing on this eye. I turned my brush vertically, just so that I can get each one of those lower lash lines. And there you have it, a finished eye look using the Go Vibrant Waterproof Length Mascara. And before we go, I'm gonna put on my favorite Go Vibrant lip shade in Text Me Terracotta, number 108. The formula of this lipstick is so creamy. This is beauty with no compromise. Be sure to check out all of these products online at amway.com/artistry.